Hello everyone, my name is Grigor Horat and welcome to a new free video in which I will cover for you Euro Yen. We will look at full detail of this technical analysis and will present you my bias on it. Okay, so on the weekly chart, if we take a look just from an old school perspective, okay, we can see that here, actually this is a monthly chart. Here from 2008 market has been clearly in downtrend till 2012 July, and since then we can see very sharp recovery. We have seen a break through the former swing highs. Okay, so this is very important evidence that market is now in bullish mode here on the monthly chart. So we definitely are interested to look for long opportunities. Okay, so if you go down to smaller time frames, as you know, I like approach from the Elliott wave perspective, and I can see that market is clearly trading impulsively here and see room for further gains. I'm also using and relying on trend lines a lot, and if we connect and channels, and if we connect some trend lines here, then actually we can see that market is still in uptrend. I particularly like this upper trend line, which I connected it from back from 2013 March, April, even February. Okay, so from the first quarter of 2013, and we can see that market tested this trend line several times and then reversed higher. Now in this last week we have also seen a test of this trend line and to reverse to the upside. So for me this is very interesting pattern for new uptrend continuation. Now on a daily chart, if we take a closer look here and maybe label the Elliott wave model on this pair, then we can actually see that decline from the highs is looking quite corrective. Okay, I cannot count this impulsively. As you know, if you want to identify a trend or change in trend, then you should see 5 waves from the highs to confirm a bearish trend. Okay, but here I cannot count 5 waves. I can see this first leg down, then sideways price action. Okay, you can clearly see that this was a sideways price action, and then another leg to the downside. Okay, so for me this is whole structure in 3 legs, so I would label this as wave A, wave B, and wave C. Okay, and more importantly, we have seen a nice reversal to the upside back towards this upper trend line, and also already make an overlap with this wave B. So to me this appears to be a very nice bullish pattern, and on the 4-hour chart I already prepared the wave count for you. I marked this rally from those lows, from this potential end of wave C, and I'm looking here for a 5-wave rally. You can clearly count waves 1, 2, extended wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5, and we know that after every 5 waves correction will follow. I can see here only first leg down, corrections are always in 3, so I label this as the wave A, wave B, and we'll be looking for another leg to the downside in wave C. So this wave C will ideally then complete this counter trend movement. I labeled here as a wave B, but this can also be a wave 2, but that's not important at this stage. This correction could bottom at this wave 4 around 13.8 13.812, just slightly above 61.8% retracement area, and maybe at 50% retracement area, which is very common Fibonacci zone for potential completion of corrections. Okay, so I definitely would be interested to look for longs here, and maybe catch wave C to the upside. There is room for huge move higher. Okay, now let's assume that wave B has finished here, and maybe we can predict end of a corrective rally a little bit more precisely. So I will now compare wave A, okay, to wave C, potential end of wave C from current wave B swing highs, and you can see that this comes in around this wave 4 that I just mentioned, and slightly above 61.8% retracement area. So this is definitely a region from where I would be looking for a reversal to the upside. Okay, so keep an eye on these levels. It could be a very nice opportunity to catch some pips on the upside. Of course, invalidation levels, we all know, are here. As long the start of this impulse, these start figures will hold, then of course trend remains in uptrend. Okay, traders, that's it for today, and I will catch you with new intraday video, free video very soon. Have a good day. Bye.